everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So I found this really cute little birdhouse over at the Dollar Tree. It was in the Crafters Square, and they now have $5 items. So this was a $5 craft, and I thought, oh, I think that would make a really cute gingerbread house. So I bought this chestnut color paint over at Walmart, and I'm going to paint the entire house in that shade of brown. And this is how it turned out. And I love the color. And that string up on top, I'm just using it right now to hang on to while I paint, but I will end up trimming that off. So I also bought this puffy paint over at Walmart. I have never used puffy paint. So let's try it and see what it does. I'm going to put a little scrolls up on top of the roof, and I'm going to outline the roof. So let's try it and see what it looks like. Well, this was really harder than I thought. It's really kind of hard to determine how much to squeeze out. And like I say, it's my first time using it. But I think after it's decorated, it will be cute. Now, I did a better job on the back side, and I'm going to let that white hang over on the edges there. It looks like white icing just dripping off. So now I'm going to take the puffy paint, outline the windows, the doors, and all the edges of the house. I think that looks really cute. So here I put some little hearts on it, and I just did it by making 3 dots and then just kind of connecting them with the puffy paint. And look how cute that came out. I wish I would have thought about drilling a hole in this, and I might go back and do it to put some lights in it to light it up. Now, I don't have a lot of Christmas stuff on hand right now, but I did have these little red and green styrofoam. They're vase fillers. So I thought, well, I'll just decorate the roof with that. If I try this again, I'm going to order some of the little mini peppermint candies, and I think that would be so cute. And I know that Amazon carries them, so I'll have to look into that for my next one. Haha, I got a knock, knock, knock at the door. My neighbor across the street. Hi, Pam. She brought us over some homemade cookies, snickerdoodles, oatmeal, and M&M. What a treat. Thank you, Pam. So this is what the house is looking like. I had this little tiny red gingham bow, and I put just a little sprig of greenery and used that for a little wreath on the front door. So you can see my puffy paint still wet. On the sides, I just painted 3 hearts and did a few little scrolls. It'll puff up as it dries up. And I painted the base of the house white all the way around to look like snow. Now this is just a little sprig of pine I have, and I just kind of lightly whitewashed it. I'm going to glue it right here on the side for a Christmas tree, and then I'll probably put some little decorations on it. Well, this is how it came out. Not bad for my first time. I'll probably try it again, and I think next time it'll be a lot easier and it'll be a little bit better. But this would be such a cute, cute thing to do with a grandchild. I think they need to be probably about 10 years old to do this, but look how adorable this came out. So I really hope that you'll try this. Really cute. Go over to the thrift store and pick up some of those ceramic houses. Sometimes you can pick those up for $1, and you could paint those, and I bet that would be adorable. Okay, y'all. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. So, bye for now. Love you guys.